The present moment is filled with joy and happiness. If you are attentive, you will see it. This quote speaks to the heart of spiritual grounding. Let's start by finding your footing. Imagine you're a tree, but not just any tree, a tree with a great sense of humor. Your roots are like the punchlines, grounding you in laughter. Now let's get serious about being grounded, but not too serious. After all, even trees need to sway in the wind sometimes. Spiritual grounding offers us this same resilience and inner strength. It allows us to be present, centered, and better equipped to navigate life's inevitable challenges. This sense of being grounded is essential for our well-being. When we are grounded, we are less affected by stress and anxiety. We are more likely to make conscious decisions, rather than reacting impulsively. Our relationships improve because we approach them with more patience and understanding. Grounding is the key to unlocking a more peaceful and fulfilling life. The concept of spiritual grounding is not new. It's a universal human need that has been recognized for centuries across diverse cultures. Ancient civilizations instinctively turned to nature for grounding. Indigenous traditions around the world are rich with rituals and practices that connect people to the earth. Eastern philosophies like Buddhism and Taoism developed intricate systems for achieving inner balance. Meditation, yoga, and martial arts like Tai Chi all emphasize the interconnectedness of the mind, body, and spirit. They offer pathways to cultivate a grounded presence. These practices, though seemingly different, share a common thread: the understanding that true peace stems from within. The good news is that grounding ourselves doesn't require elaborate rituals or years of study. Simple, accessible practices can be woven into our daily lives. One of the most powerful techniques is connecting with nature. Walking barefoot on the grass, feeling the sun's warmth on our skin, or simply listening to the wind rustle through leaves. These acts remind us of our place in the grand scheme of things. Meditation, even for a few minutes daily, can dramatically shift our energy. Focusing on our breath, noticing the sensations in our body, or observing our thoughts without judgment, these practices quiet the mental chatter and bring us into the present moment. Deep conscious breathing is another readily available tool. When stress arises, a few deep belly breaths can calm the nervous system and bring clarity to our thoughts. Section 4. Weaving grounding into life's tapestry. The key to experiencing the full benefits of grounding is to make it an integral part of our daily routine. We can start by establishing small rituals. Perhaps it's a few moments of mindful breathing upon waking, setting an intention for the day ahead. Or maybe it's a gratitude practice before bed, reflecting on the day's gifts. Mealtimes can be transformed into opportunities for grounding. Instead of rushing through our food, we can practice mindful eating. We can savor each bite, noticing the textures and flavors, appreciating the nourishment we receive. Throughout the day, especially during moments of stress, we can incorporate grounding breaks. Stepping away from our desks, taking a short walk, or simply practicing a few minutes of deep breathing can do wonders for our energy and focus. Section 5. Your path, your peace. A personal exploration. Remember, spiritual grounding is a personal journey. There is no one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one person may not resonate with another. The key is to approach this practice with openness and curiosity. Experiment with different techniques. Explore what feels most aligned with your soul. Perhaps you find solace in being near water, listening to calming music, or spending time with animals. Journaling can be a valuable tool on this journey. By reflecting on our experiences with different grounding techniques, we gain valuable insights. We become more aware of what brings us peace, what triggers our stress, and what truly nourishes our soul. As we deepen our understanding of ourselves, we step more fully into our power. We become architects of our inner peace, capable of weathering any storm life throws our way.